Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today, as promised, we're gonna finally do the oil pressure switch as well as the oil pressure filter. So let's get started. What's going on, guys? It's Ryan back from Corolla Customs, and today, like I said, we're gonna be doing the oil pressure switch as well as the oil pressure filter on the 2004 Chevy Avalanche. Now, before we start, I want to get across a few things to you guys. This video is going to be different than the other videos that you've possibly seen on YouTube, where they reach their hand behind the manifold and find the oil pressure filter, the oil pressure switch and the filter. I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I actually want to change out the manifold gaskets as well. So I'm going to remove the upper intake manifold as well as the fuel rail, and I think that's about it. And then we change out the gaskets and you guys will get an actual direct look at where the switch is. Plus, I'm going to show you how to remove the filter, and yeah, it's going to be fun. And also, before we get started, I do want to say thank you to you guys for supporting this channel and supporting me. I'm already at 513 subscribers currently, and it's growing every day. I want to say thank you. I'm actually working on some t-shirts for the Chevy Avalanche because there's such a big following on the Avalanche, and you know, whatever proceeds I get from it will be donated to charity. So hopefully you guys actually stick with me for that, and it'll be with the charity of your choice. So, you know, hopefully it all works out somehow. And yeah, so let's get started. We start by removing our negative battery cable with an 8mm wrench. Then we use a 10mm to remove the engine cover. Now we work on removing the air duct to get access to our throttle body. With clear access to our throttle body, we remove our connector and start removing the three 10mm nuts. After removing the 10mm nuts, you want to use the E-torque socket to remove the 3 studs, which will release the throttle body. Then you place the throttle body to the side. Using our 10mm socket, we remove the 3 bolts holding on the plate for the engine covers. Using a 10mm socket, we remove our purge valve solenoid. We use a 3/8 fuel disconnect tool to remove our fuel line. After fondling with some wires, we get one step closer to removing the intake manifold. Okay guys, so to pull out this connector here, this connector for the fuel injector, it's kind of difficult. So what you need to do is get some kind of pick or anything that you can pull. Grab onto this top piece here, pull up, you see how it lifts up, and then you can press in this tab, and once you press this tab in, it should come out. So let's do that. Finally, we can remove our manifold. We carefully plug each hole to ensure that no mud falls into our engine. Now we move on to cleaning. Alright guys, so what's going on? So that is how you remove the intake manifold. This is going to be part 1 to, I'm guessing, a 2-part series. Like I said, I'm not allowed to upload videos more than 10 minutes for some reason on my editor. So it's a win-win for both of us. Like, my videos are short and to the point. You guys don't fall asleep watching them. So we're going to call this how to remove the intake manifold from your 2004 Chevy Avalanche, or whatever your Avalanche is. That's going to be part 1. Starting tomorrow, I'm going to film how to remove the oil pressure switch, the location of where it is, and how to remove the oil pressure switch filter, which is in there as well. And then we're going to change out that, and you guys are going to enjoy it. You guys are going to watch it, and it's going to be awesome. So thank you all for watching. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you leave a like and also comment on my video. Let me know if I can do anything better, or let me know if you want to see anything in the near future. If you're not a subscriber and you're new to my channel, please remember to click that subscribe button. Also hit that bell notification on top so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys for following me. Right now my subscriber mark is 523. I'm growing. Thank you all for, you know, following, growing. The DeWalt toolset giveaway will be coming out soon, or technically we'll be finishing soon. 12/18. That's the date that I'm gonna call the lucky winner. So You know, if you're new, you're watching, please get it, subscribe, man. Just subscribe to the channel and just comment under the giveaway video, and I'll leave that link in the description below. And you know, follow the rules and you'll be entered. You never know, you might be lucky to win it, and a free t-shirt as well. So that's all, guys. Also, I'm gonna I have a new line of Corolla Customs t-shirts that are coming out. The first ones that I did actually sold pretty well. I haven't made any more of those. The second ones is gonna be avalanche theme, because there's a big following on the avalanche for me. So you know, all the proceeds of that will go to charity. Charity of your choice. I'll leave a poll on the bottom. So let's see how many sales we can get on that, and how much we can raise for these kids or whoever it is that you guys choose. So with that being said, thank you all for watching, and good night.